Assalamu alaikum Junior 3. I hope you all are doing well. Students, today we will do the assignment that is unit number 13, and the topic is rain in summer. As we have done the reading yesterday, I hope you did it yourself and you understood it. If you find any difficulty, you can ask me on WhatsApp, or you can message me in the Google Classroom. I will repeat the things which are difficult for you. And today you have to open your assignment, and we will do the word meanings and word sentences today. So let's get started. Question number 1 is match the meanings and write in the correct column. As you can see, the meanings are given in the second column, which are jumbled up, mixed up, and the words are in the first column. So what you need to do, that you have to find the correct meaning of the words and write them in the third box. Students, the thing that I am observing after checking your assignments, that your writing is pathetic. I don't know why you have spoiled your writing in this lockdown situation. So try to write neatly and properly. The first word is fiery. Fiery means very hot. Fiery, very hot. जैसे फायर का वर्ड होता है, दैट मीन्स फायर, जो आग होती है. तो ऑब्वियसली जब बहुत गर्मी होती है तो हम बोलते हैं कि आसमान से आग बरस रही है, तो दैट मीन्स द फायरी, वेरी हॉट. क्लैटर्स मेक्स अ नॉइस. क्लैटर मेक्स अ नॉइस. ट्रैम्प, the sounds of footsteps. Hooves, the horny covering of the foot of a cow, horse, or the goats. जो एनिमल्स के जो पाँव होते हैं, उनके नीचे आपने देखा है कि उनके पाँव के ऊपर एक सख्त सा अल्लाह ताला ने खौल बनाया होता है. जिस तरह से उनके हॉर्न्स होते हैं, सींग होते हैं, उसी टाइप का अल्लाह ताला ने एक मटेरियल उनके पाँव पे भी लगाया होता है. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द हूफ्स. वो उनके पाँव को प्रोटेक्शन देता है और उनको चलने में आसानी देता है. गुशेस फ्लोज फोर्सफुली. पानी जब तेज़ी से कहीं से बहता है और अपनी ताकत लगा के बहता है, दैट वर्ड फॉर दिस थिंग इज़ कॉल्ड गुशेस, के पानी का बहाव, फ्लो. And for the same words you will make the sentences. Try to make sentences of your own. If you find it difficult, you can see the words from your poem and try to form the sentences of your own. Fiery means very hot. It is fiery hot in the summer. It is fiery hot in the summer. Clatters, the rain clatters over the roofs of the houses. Tramp, the tramp of horses was breaking up the silence. The tramp of horses was breaking up the silence. Hooves, the noise of hoofs and bells woke me up early morning. Gushes, the rainwater poured in the car in steady gushes. Students, this is all for today. Try to do your assignment neatly and later learn it as well. As you know, the school will be open soon, inshallah, and I'm so happy that we will meet again. All the best wishes to you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.